Good afternoon everyone and welcome back. Now this afternoon I want to show you how to make a little jam tart. Now I've got two ways in which I would like to do it, but this is the first one. First of all, I've made a dough by mixing 1 cup of cream with 250 grams of butter. Obviously the butter must be soft. And then adding to that 3 cups of cake flour or just plain baking flour and a pinch of salt. And you do not knead the dough. You just assemble it with your hands to form a nice dough. Now mine has been in the fridge overnight because I made it last night. And I've only pressed out 6 circles from a little piece of dough that I've cut off. And I want to show you what I'm going to do. I borrowed this lovely old cake tin from a very dear colleague and friend of mine. So I want to take one of these circles. I'm just going to dust off the excess flour at the bottom and I'm going to put it at the bottom. Now you can see there's a leafy pattern, like a shell pattern at the bottom. Now this is a first for me because I haven't tried it before, but I thought I'll share it with you. So I'm just going to make 3 tarts. I'm pressing my dough a little bit into this so-called hole. Now I must just make sure I've put it in the right one. The one that I've greased. There we go. And another one. So I'm only going to make 3 of these tarts to show you what you can do with this dough. And then I'll show you with the other piece of dough something else to make. Now in this bottle of mine, I haven't switched on the oven yet. 180 to 200 degrees. I'm going to put mine on 200 with my fan oven. In this glass bottle, I've got homemade mulberry jam. One of my utmost favorites. My husband is not a big fan, but anyway, this tart is not for him. It's for that colleague of mine. So I'm taking a little bit, just a little bit, and I'm going to spoon it into this hole that is formed. A little bit there. And you can use any jam that you want to. With the next recipe, I will use a different jam to show you. So I'm just putting a little bit in there. And just get this to the sink. And close my bottle. And of course your jam must be cold, né? Coming from the fridge. So the other 3 circles, I'm now going to cover my little tarts. And it goes like a little lid on top. Just a little bit, stretch it out, put it on top. And then I'm going to bake it. And as soon as it has baked, I will show you what I'm going to do and how I'm going to serve it. So please do not go away. Just hang in there for a few minutes until my tart has baked. Right viewers, here's my little mulberry tarts out of the oven. They're not really like I wanted them, but I can guarantee you they are going to taste marvelous. There's my bit of whipped cream. So all that is left is for me to eat it and taste it and have a wonderful afternoon treat. I am so looking forward to this bite. It's going to be wonderful. Comfort food, I'm telling you. It is really nice. So if you like this, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. May you have a wonderful afternoon.